I was a quick, wet boy diving too deep for
Getting up every day and playing, doing something that you love to do, and just like enjoying it, even getting paid to do something you love to do. I mean, can't even imagine how amazing that would be.
close the fair. I cut my long baby hair and stole me a dog-eared map and called for you everywhere. Have I
When I
found
scored 159 goals, I knew then that maybe I had maybe a special scoring touch or something. I think that was the point when I realized that